like a starter? Dad, I would like chicken soup, please. Dad, I would like salad, please. And what do you like for a main course? I like a hamburger deluxe, please. I like a spaghetti, please. Hamburger, would I like a dessert? Yes, I like flan, please. Yes, I like ice cream, please. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I like hot chocolate, please. Yes, I like water, please. Water and hot chocolate. Can I get you anything else? No, thank you. Just the bill. Certainly. Here you are. How much is it? That's 14. Here you are. Thank you very much. Have a good day. You're welcome.
Yes, I would like some lunch, please.
What do you like, Spencer?
Yes, I would like chicken soup, please.
And what do you like for a main course?
I like a cheeseburger, please.
What do you like a dessert?
Yes, I like ice cream, please.
What do you like something to drink?
Yes, I like water, please.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I would like some lunch, please.
Would you like a starter?
Yes, I would like salad, please. Yes, I would like chicken soup, please.
And what would you like for a main course?
I like a pizza, please. I like a spaghetti, please.
Here you are. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I like water, please. Yes, I like Coke, please.
Would you like a dessert?
Yes, I like chocolate cake, please. Yes, I like ice cream, please.
Can I bring you anything else?
No, thank you. That's it.
Here you are. How much is it? That's 28 euros, please. Thank you. Have a good day.
Well, you are welcome. The sound to you. some plants, please.
Would you like ice cream?
Yes, I would like salad, please.
And what would you like for a nice go?
I would like a slice of pizza, please.
Would you like a dessert?
Yes, I like ice cream, please.
Would you like soda to drink?
Yes, I like Coke, please.
Can I bring you anything else?
No, thanks. Who has the bill?
Would you
Yes, I would like some rooms, please.
Would you like a salad?
Yes, I would like some salad, please.
And what would you like for my course?
I like spaghetti, please.
Would you like a dessert?
Yes, I like ice cream, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I like water, please.
Can I bring you anything else?
Not try you. How this one?
Certainly, where you are.
How much is it?
Thanks. $30.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You welcome this family.